Hi everyone, thank you for joining with us today for the tutorial which I explained to you about how you can get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs. So if you are a person who's interested about JuaraGCP, or maybe if you are a person who has gone through about JuaraGCP already, you might be in a situation where you would want to get or you want to know how you could get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs. So in this tutorial we will be taking you through each and every step involved for you to get 1 month free access. So basically if you come to this portal, it will talk to you about the activities that you will have to do in step 1, step 2 and step 3 as well. So in this particular tutorial we will be covering the step 1 and how you can register yourself with Qwiklabs or JuaraGCP as well. So let's get started. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to register myself from here. Alright, it gives you like an overview about what type of information is required and also for whom is this intends to, and the deadline as well. So deadline is on 13th of April 2020, so which means we have very less amount of time if you want to complete quests and become JuaraGCP as well. So for this tutorial purposes I have created an email address. So let me type it again. Type it over here, l.com plus our company, I would say working from home, and I'll give my contact number, and I would say I'm from Jakarta and I'm a backend engineer and my job title software engineer. And yes, it says whether to send me information. Yes, I would agree, and yes, send me more information. Alright, and I submit the email, submit the form. As soon as I submit the form, if I go to my email and I will wait a little, let me refresh. Awesome. So I have received an email from JuaraGCP which mentions 1 month free access to Qwiklabs. Alrighty. So some of you might be might be stuck in a place where you are not able to receive 1 month free access to Qwiklabs, or you might be a person who has just joined Qwiklabs and don't know how you could go about it. So now it's time for you to kind of understand how things would work. In order to get the Qwiklabs 1 month free access, the first thing that we need to do is, first thing we need to go to this link which is mentioned under the step 1.
Alright, once you have clicked on the link, you will be directed to this page, and from here onwards we will click on the Qwiklabs URL. Alright, now you are in a page called data engineering. You'll find there's a button called join, sign in, and there are explanations around what is this about and what are the prerequisites required before completing this particular activity, etc. So this page is one of the pages inside the Qwiklab platform, and this page on this particular activity we call it as a quest. So what is a quest? Quest is a collection of certain activities that you'll have to perform in order to complete a task. Yeah, so there are multiple activities inside data engineering. As an example, so the first activity is about creating a data transformation pipeline with cloud data prep, and so on and so forth. So this quest page will have these activities. These activities we call those as labs when you're referring to it. Yeah, so we call Qwiklab labs when you're referring to it. So our objective here today is to get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs. So let's see how you can do that. First thing first, if you have logged into Qwiklabs already, please do make sure you use an incognito window to log in fresh into Qwiklabs platform, or even if you want to join in through your account newly, please do use an incognito window. That will be easy for you, because that will mitigate you from using the existing other accounts, etc. So other Qwiklab accounts, etc. So first thing what we're going to do, since I have a new email address, I'm going to click on join, and say if you have a account already, you can click on sign in, and it will take you through the process. So let me click on sign in with Google, and I click on my email address, and it's authenticating, and then I'll authorize myself. Awesome. So now I'm in the Qwiklabs homepage. So in this homepage, you will find there are featured learning. There are different type of quests. When it comes to quests, it will mention you as quest, and if it's a hands-on lab or just one activity, it will mention as hands-on labs. Yeah. So there are certain quests which JuaraGCP has already suggested to you to do as a part of JuaraGCP season 2. Yeah, so our idea here today is to get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs, so that we'll be able to complete more course quests without consuming credits. So why do we need credits? So now let's say if you want to do one quest, you will need to get credits. You will need to purchase credits, or you will have to have credits given by from Google Cloud end. So now, since you are just new to this program, you are a GCP. Once you log in, you will see you have 0 credits at the moment. And you are a GCP, you don't have to buy credits, because this is a free online training that we are providing. So that let's see how we could get some credits and then get 1 month free access. Yeah. So once you are in this page, the home page, what you need to do is you need to go back to your email and click on the link which we clicked earlier as well. So let's click the link, and then we'll come here, we'll click on the link again. It take us to the data engineering quest page. So if you check out the URL of data engineering page and the home page will be different. And if you want to get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs, you will have to come to this page. That's why I went back to the email address and got the URL over here. And so this is where the promotion code, everything will be added, and we will be activated also. But if you go to the as soon as you register or log in, if you have been sent to the home page, and if you type in data engineering and you try to go from there, you will not be able to receive Qwiklab credits, and also you will not be able to receive 1 month free access to Qwiklab as well. Yeah. So now as soon as we register, come to this link, still it says 0 credits. Yeah, not a problem. We'll go and click on enroll in this quest. As soon as we click on enroll this quest, it will show me a video. If you want to watch it, you can watch it if you're a first timer. So the most important thing that we're interested in here is going back to this profile picture, and I click here. All right, so I have received now, since I've enrolled into data engineering quest through that URL, I have received 9 credits into my profile. Yeah, so using these 9 credits, we can either complete this lab or this activity, or else we can just start the lab, end the lab, and then get 1 month free access as well. Yeah, so either you want to go through it, or you might want to skip it. Either way, you will have to start this lab at this point. So now when you're going to start the lab, it'll ask you whether you want to consume 7 credits to launch this lab, or do you have a access code. Since you don't have access code, what you can do is you can launch with 7 credits. So once you have consumed 7 credits, which means you are just left with another 2 credits only. Yeah. So now with 2 credits, you will not be able to explore more labs inside data engineering. So now let's see how we can get the 1 month free access. Now since we have started the app, now let's go and end the lab, because I don't want to complete data engineering quest, but rather I only need to get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs, so that I'll be able to complete the other quests that I have in mind. Alright, I'll click on end. I'll give a 5-star rating and I'll submit. Awesome. That's all you need to do to get 1 month free access to Qwiklabs. Let's go back to our profile picture, and still says 9 credit. It's a little weird, because I earlier said as soon as I start the lab and end the lab, I should receive 1 month free access to Qwiklabs, but it still says 9 credits. So let's go inside the profile and see. Awesome. Now you can see, after some time, after you come to this, after you click on the 9 credits link, after you come to this page, it has automatically added me or given me 1 month free access. This one advantage subscription is equivalent to one month free access. So here you can see it's available until May 7th. Today's date is 7th April, and that's 1 month free access. And if you go back to your profile image, if you click on monthly subscription, it'll showcase to you. If you go back to your profile image, and if you see here, you'll see 9 credits is changed into now as monthly subscription. Yeah, so now you have received monthly subscription to your account. So from here onwards, you can explore any of the quests that you prefer without a problem. If you want to go back to data engineering, and if you want to complete that quest, or any of the quests that we have mentioned over here, let's say data science on the Google Cloud platform, again I click on the link. If you want to enroll to this quest, like here, since we have already signed in, we can click on the link sign in, and we can click here. All right, so still I'm inside my profile, and I can enroll here as well and complete this quest without a problem. Yeah, so that's simple as that. That's pretty much it that you'll have to do to get 1 month access. Hope that was explanatory, and let me give you another like a place where some of you got stuck as well, is that now let's say if you have already have an account, only thing that you need to do here is to let me show it by signing out. I'll go back to this link. I'll show it to you again. All right, it'll take me to right, let me sign up from here as well. Okay, so in this point, what you need to do, or you only need to click on sign in, and then you can sign into your account, and then you can continue continue going back to this link, and you can enroll to data engineering quest. That's all you need to do. No problem at all, and we hope this was explanatory. And if you have any questions, please do write to JuaraGCP@google.com, or if you have any other queries that you want to ask, you can ask those in the Telegram channel or the Telegram group. Or if you have any technical issues, please do write to support@Qwiklabs.com, so they'll be able to help you out. Hope this was explanatory, and we hope you will be JuaraGCP. There are a couple of only few days more left. 13th is the deadline. 13th of April is the deadline. If you haven't tried out Qwiklabs and the quest yet, please do go and subscribe yourself, and you can get 1 month free access to Coursera. and you'll be eligible to get swags as well. All right, awesome, and we see you. Hope to see you soon. Either another episode. Thank you.